Hey guys, we're doing the random for 600 points. 7:43, 24 PM Melbourne time. Dice roll. 6, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Tim Dumpton, you get the points. Congrats. Last room done. 7:43, 46 PM Melbourne time. Very much for 600 points.